Alright, what's up with Moto Gang? I gotta turn the channel up a notch. I'm about to start showing y'all some of the toys in the collection. This is a 2018 Kawasaki ZX14R. It's got the light kit on it. I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that's done to it. You see right now it's lit up. It's got an ECU flash on it. It's got a PC5 Commander. It's got a custom seat done on it, but that's getting stitched over. Everything on it's LED. I'm gonna start it up for y'all and let y'all hear the exhaust on it. 180 on the dash. I guess that's alright. Turn this key real quick. It's kind of cold out here. Let me start it up for you real quick. Got those LED bulbs on there. Bought all of the lights off of Amazon if anybody's interested. That's what we got here. Just one of the little toys that's coming to the channel. I just figured I would show it to y'all. We're about to start showing off a lot of new cars. About to get into building some. About to start hitting these car shows more. I'm gonna be showing y'all stuff like changing oil, changing coolant when we get the time, cleaning off your chain, how to ride a bike, how to change gears, how to do a burnout. Depending on the bike that you got, I may be even able to show you how to change the lights, because I actually put these lights on here myself. But yeah, just stuff like that, just to bring something new to the channel for the new year. Had a lot of stuff planned this year, but you know how that went. I guess everybody had a lot of stuff planned, but nothing really went as anybody planned. So I guess this was a crazy year for everybody. But yeah, that's about it. That's pretty much all I got. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. My next video I'm gonna do is gonna be on, I'm gonna actually do a product review of some cleaning chemicals you can use on your bike. I was using one for a real long time, and then I got turned on to something different, and the change that I see when I clean my bike is so significant. I think it's something that I should show y'all. Yeah, that's about it. Getting kind of cold out here. I think I'm ready to go ahead and pick this thing up. Alright though, just stay tuned though. It's a lot where this came from.